How to fix .NET setup failed error 0x80070660 in Windows 11. Hello friends, you might get this error code when trying to install any version of .NET. The error message is like setup failed. One or more issues caused the setup to fail. Please fix the issues and then retry the setup. For more information, see the log file. The error code is 0x80070660 that says the temp folder is on drive that is full or is inaccessible. Free up space on the drive or verify that you have right permission on the temp folder. Follow the steps to fix it. Click on search, type cmd, right click on command prompt, select run as administrator, click on yes. Go to the video description, you will find these commands there. First of all, run the first line of command. This will create a folder named installer in the Windows directory. Copy the command, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Then minimize the command prompt and try to install the .NET. The runtime should be successfully installed. In any case, if the issue still persists, then there might be some problems with write permission or free space related to temp folder. In this case, you will have to run other commands. Go to the video description and run these commands, one line at one time. Copy the command, paste into the command prompt, hit enter. This will reset the temp folder. After running these commands, close the command prompt and then try to install the .NET. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.